Namaskar friends. It's quite hot outside and time for something cool and refreshing. Today we shall make two mocktails from fruits which are summer special. So the first mocktail is a spicy ananas and aam panna made of pineapple and raw mango. Pineapple is a very tasty fruit and has a lot of benefits. So why not have a mocktail? What you require for this is pineapple, raw mango and some spices to kind of liven this mocktail up. To start with, we take a pineapple, peel, core and chop it into pieces. You take 4 cups of pineapple and can use the core as well. Peel and chop the raw mango into pieces. For 4 cups of pineapple, I have taken 1 cup of raw mango, so this is roughly the proportion. Add both together in a pan and add 2 cups of water, just enough to cover the fruits. Add some turmeric powder. This will give a lovely color. And pressure cook the mixture. Once you take it out, it turns soft, mushy and pulpy. Let the mixture cool down completely. Next you take sugar. For those of you who don't have sugar, you can use sugar free as per the measurements indicated on the pack. In a blender, add the cooled pineapple and sugar and add the spices, the cumin powder, the peppercorns and the pink and the regular salt. Now blend everything in a juicer on the blender. You may have to do it twice or thrice. This is how it will look after blending, very smooth. I have not strained this mixture. Mix the concentrate with the water in 1:1 proportion. So you take 1 part of the concentrate and 1 part of water for serving in a glass. Put some ice cubes and pour the panna on the top. You may skip the ice, but do take care to serve it chilled. Garnish with some mint leaves. The panna is ready to enjoy. The second mocktail is a watermelon pina colada. Watermelon is one of the best fruits to have in the summers due to its high water content. What you require for this recipe is watermelon, coconut milk, yogurt, honey and rose syrup. You cut the watermelon in half, chop into pieces and remove all the seeds. You take 4 cups of watermelon. Make sure that watermelon, coconut milk and the yogurt which is used is chilled so that this can be served immediately. The quantity of the honey as well as the rose syrup which is used can be increased as per your liking. Add everything in a blender and blend it till it is completely liquid. You can now pour this into a glass and serve immediately. See how smooth and creamy the consistency of this pina colada is. Your watermelon pina colada is ready. If you have have liked this recipe, like, subscribe to my channel The Moody Foodie and share. Thank you.